Okay, so that is a 4225. That answer is what? 2000. Third problem is 4225. That answer is 2112 plus 2130. Okay, next number is so 2401. Okay, if you unable to find this answer, just divide this number 2. It is not exactly divisible by 2. Just we'll come to know that the answer is what. Okay, we can guess the answer by dividing that number. Okay, divide here. We will come to know that. See here, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are and 0 here. Okay, so 1 left. So what we can take here, that is a 1200 plus 1201 we can take, right? Add these two numbers. What we will get? Add these two numbers. You will get that is a 2401. You will get, right? So just if you want the answer, if you want to divide that sum of a two consecutive natural number, just divide this number. You will get to know that what are the number it may be. Okay, we can guess by this seeing this quotient. It is not an exact number, but we can guess. Okay, so for that I am doing this division and we can guess here 1 is left. So I thought it is maybe a 1200 plus 1201. Like that we have to think. Okay, so here 1200 plus 1201. It is not a method, but just to become easier, that's why I am saying that method. Okay, it is not in a textbook. It's our own calculation. Okay, so next one is fifth one, 4489. Okay, so if they given bigger number, how to, if that is a smaller number, we can assume and we can judge easily. But if that is a bigger number, we can't do that one. For that reason, divide with a 2 here. That is 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 4s are, next 2 4s are. Okay, so here 2244 plus 22245. Add those numbers. You will get this number only. 2 plus this 4 plus 5 is 9 and 4 plus 4 8 and 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4. You will get this number only. Okay. So because of that reason, divide with the 2. You will get the answer. Okay. So I hope everyone are understanding. And next main is 6th main. So 5th main completed down. 5th main completed. Now we solve the 6th main. That is using a dots, draw a square of a sides. Using a dots, draw a square of a side. 7 dots. Hence write as 7 square as a sum of a two triangular numbers. Okay. So you have to use the, wait one second. We have to, using a 7 dots, we have to draw the triangle. Okay, and after that what they told here, hence write a 7 square as a sum of two triangular numbers. Sum of two, 7 square means 48. Okay, so that is, first draw the 7 dots. 7 dots means put a 7 dots. 3 3 6 7. Okay, here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so next here continue here. If you use the scale, then it will be a correct only. You get correct diagram here. Okay, so according this line, in this line you have to form here like this. Here also 1 and here also 1 and here also 1. Okay, next here 1 2 3 4 and this may be here. Okay, so next here observe properly the diagram, then you get the diagram. So this is our triangle. Join properly. Okay. So here I mean join properly. Join this properly. This is a 7 dots triangle. Okay. So they told again here that is using a dots draw a square of a side 7 dots and hence write a 7 square as a sum of the two triangular numbers. Sum of a two triangular numbers. So 14 and 10. Square of 7 square is nothing but a 49. It is nothing but a 28 plus 21. We can write like this. Right? So add here, that is sum of the two square numbers, that is 6 square plus write the diagram 6 square okay. So for first you have to first draw these 7 dots. 7 dots and draw this 7 dots triangular. Okay. After that another one is there, right? That is sum of the what they told here. Hence write a 7 square as a sum of a two triangular numbers. Two triangular numbers that I will say in the next class. Okay. Here I am getting confused in that. Okay. So just first draw the 7 dots triangular. Only this much draw first. After that triangular sum of two triangular means I will say in the that next class. Okay. So go for the 7th question now. So don't draw that one. Only draw this one. Okay. So 7th main. Now we solve the 7th main. Again we will discuss that 6th question in the next class. Okay. So here 7th main means find how many non-square natural number lie between the following pairs here. Okay. They given us some pairs. First one is the 7 square and 8 square. Okay. So here is a one rule. Which one is that? That is a fourth, page number 38, page number 38, fourth one rule is there. That is between the square of n and n plus, square of n plus 1, there are 2n non-square numbers are there. Okay. So between the square of n and square of n plus 1, there are 2n non-square numbers are there. They told here find the non-square numbers in between 7 square and 8 square. This is a n, right? And this is a n plus 1. N is 7, n plus 1 is 8. That is 7 plus 1. So there are how much non-square numbers are there? In between these two numbers, there are 2n number of non-square numbers are there. Okay, page number 38, fourth rule I am using. Page number 38, fourth rule I am using here. There are 2n number of non-square numbers are present here. So that's why we have to do here. So n is what here? N is equal to 7. So 2n means 2 into 7, 14. So there are 14 non-square numbers lies between 7 square and 8 square. Okay, like that you have to write. There are 14 non-square numbers lies between the 7 square and 8 square. Getting? Okay. So next one is a 10 square and 11 square. What is the answer? Say fast. You have to do it yourself. Okay. So don't see the board. Just try it yourself. After that you have to check answer. Verify your answer with my answers. That is 10 square and 11 square is there. Means here n is equal to what? N is equal to 10. So how many non-square numbers are there? That is a 2n. 2 into 10, that is a 20. So 20 non-square numbers lies between the 10 square and 11 square. 20 non-square numbers are lies between the 10 square and 11 square. That is the answer. Okay. Let's go for the next question. That is third one. Third one is 14 square and 15 square. 14 square and 15 square. In that we given here, see, n is equal to what here? N is equal to 14. Okay. So 2n means 2 into 14, that is 28. 28 non-square numbers lies between the 14 square and 15 square. Getting? So 28 non-square numbers lies between the 14 square and 15 square here. Getting? Okay, fine. So next, last one, fourth one, 21 square and 22 square. Okay. So here n is equal to 21. So 2 into 21 is 42. Okay. There are 42 non-square numbers lies between the 21 square and 22 square. There are 42 non-square numbers lies between the 21 square and 22 square. Getting right? Okay, fine. So 7th main also finished. Now we'll solve the 8th main. Can square of 391 be a 9891? Justify your answer. How to verify? Without doing the multiplication, we have to answer for this question. So 8 1, the given number is 391. 391. And the square of that number is what they given here? 9891. Question mark. Okay. So whether 9891 is the square of 391, they are asking. Which rule we have to use here? That is square of if there are n number of digits in a number and it have a 2n or 2n plus 1 digits in a square of that number. Getting the number, getting the idea? I don't know which property it is, which property number I am saying. This is properties. Here 3 digits are there. Means if n number of digits in a square number, then 2n or 2n plus 1 digits are in a square of that number. That property I am saying. Where it is, we'll find now. Wait. Where it is? Yeah, that is not 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1. Okay. A number n digits in a number, then it have a 2n minus 1 or a 2n digits in its square. Okay. So here 3 digits are there. N is equal to 3, right? So 2n means what? That is a 6. And 2n minus 1 is nothing but a 5. So what is the reason you have to write? Therefore, in the square of 391, there should be 6 or 5 digits, but in given number there are only 4 digits. Okay, there are only 4 digits. Hence, it is not a square of 391. Okay, so write like that only. So here we checked the inner number, it having a n number digits, then its square having a how many numbers? That is 2n or 2n minus 1. We checked for both. 2n is 6 and 2n minus 5 is a 2n minus 1 is a 5 number. Whether the given number having a 6 or 5 digits? No. It's having only 4 digits. That is 9891 is having only how much digits? 4 digits. So whether we are having a 6 or 5 digits in square number? No. Then it is not a perfect, sorry, it is not a square of the 391. Like that you have to write. Therefore, in a square of 391, there should be a 6 or 5 digits. But in given number, there are only 4 digits. Hence, it is not a square of 391. Like that you have to write. Okay. So, go for the next question. 8th one finished. 9th one. Ninth one, a number can be written in the form of a 3m plus 2 for some natural m. Can this be a number be a perfect square? No. A perfect square should be always expressed in the form of a what? That is a 3m or 3m plus 1. Like that we can express. But it is the 3m plus 2. Okay. So write here no, because a perfect square can be expressed in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay, it is they given a 3m plus 2. It is not a perfect square. Always perfect square can be expressed in the form of a 3m or 3m plus 1. Even 4m or 4m plus 1, not plus 2. Getting idea? But they given here 3m plus 2. So that's why it is not a perfect square number. Getting? And now go for the 10th question. A number can be written in the form of a 4m plus 3 for some natural m. Can this be a number perfect square? 10th one also same. This is the answer. Same answer. Okay. 10th one also same. Copy this answer only. But in the last form you have to change. That is a 4m or 4m plus 1. Okay. Only this much you have to change in the 10th question. Everything is same. Next go for the 11th main. That is without finding the squares of squares. Evaluate each of the following. Okay. Without finding the squares, evaluate each of the following. That is nothing but here 49 square minus 1 they given. Let's see. Don't find the 49 square here. Okay. We have to find without doing the square. Don't multiply. Don't find the square value here. Okay. So that is 11th one. What they given here? First one is 49 square minus 1. This can be written as 49 square minus 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square. Yes, obviously we can write. So it is in the form of what? That is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Can we use this formula? A square minus b square. Okay. So that is 49 plus 1 and into 49 minus 1. So it is a 49 plus 1 is 50 into 48. So now do the multiplication. 5 exam 40, 4 carry, 5 4 20, 24, and here 1 0 is there, put 1 0. What is the answer? 2400. Without finding the square of this number, we solved this answer. Right? So like that you have to do. Go for the next one. Second one also like that you have to do. Second one. Second one is 61 square minus 1. Okay. So this can be written as 61 square minus 1 square. That is can be written as again a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. That is 61 plus 1 into 61 minus 1. So here 62 and here that is 60. So 6 2 are 12, 1 carry 6, 6 to 36, 37. And 1 0 is the right answer. 3720 is the answer. 3720 is the answer. Go for the next question. Third one, last one, 11th main last one. 11th main last one is 199 square minus 1. Okay. So that is 199 square minus 1 square. So here 199 plus 1 into 199 minus 1. That is equal to here 200 into 198. Okay. Multiply with the 2. 2 8 is 60, 1 carry. 2 9 is 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. How many zeros are there? 2. So right here. So it is a 39,600. Answer is 39,600 is the answer. Getting right? Okay. So 12th main also complete. Sorry. 11th one completed, right? Okay. Next one is a 12th main. Without finding the squares, evaluate the each one. Okay. That is a, here one rule is there for that. N plus 1 square minus n square. Okay. We'll use that one. So the 12th main. 12th one. First one is 16 square minus 15 square. We are having one rule. N plus 1 square minus n square, that is equal to n into n plus 1, I think. So n plus 1 plus n. Okay. So that is we have to sum of those two numbers. That is here. This is 16 and 15. So n is equal to 15 here, right? So what is the answer? And n plus 1 is nothing but 16 here. So find, without squaring that numbers, we have to find the answer. Without finding the square of numbers, we have to find the answer. That is 16 plus 15. So what is the answer? 6 plus 21, 31. 31 is the answer. 16 square minus 15 square is nothing but 16 plus 15, that is 31. Okay, like that. We have to use this formula and we have to find. Getting? And next, another two problems, do it yourself. Next, we'll go for the 13th main. That is, observe each of the patterns in given below and fill in the missing numbers or digits. Try to fill that digits. Okay. If you are not getting, then again we'll tell in the school only. Okay. When you are coming back to school, no, that time I'll solve this 13 main also. First, you have to try to solve that patterns. It's a easy only. Okay. If you observe every values properly, then you can come to know that what we have to write there. Okay. So do it yourself and we'll tell in the next class. Okay. So and finding the square of a number and all that we'll solve in the next class. Okay. So homework is solve this much. Whatever I told in this class, you have to solve that is in a HW. Okay. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay. Thank you.